Struggling with the classic interview question, why do you want this job? Don't worry, I've got a killer formula to help you nail it. It's called the past, present, future method. First, let's talk about the past. This is where you connect your previous experiences to the job. Think about the skills you've gained and the projects you've worked on. For example, you could say, in my previous role, I developed strong project management skills by leading a team to launch a new product, which directly relates to the responsibilities of this position. Next, the present. This is your chance to show you've done your homework. Talk about what excites you about this specific company and role right now. Mention their company culture, a recent project they launched, or their mission. You could say, I'm really impressed by your company's commitment to sustainability, and I'm eager to contribute my skills to a team that shares my values. Finally, the future. Paint a picture of how you'll grow with the company. This shows you're in it for the long haul. Try something like, I see this role as a fantastic opportunity to further develop my expertise in digital marketing and eventually take on more leadership responsibilities within the team. So remember, past, present, future. This structure shows you're qualified, enthusiastic, and ambitious. You've got this. For more interview tips, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.